Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to get an animated Discord rich presence on your profile. Animated rich presence usually come from apps or games that support Discord's rich presence feature, or from third-party tools that connect to Discord. First, make sure Discord is open on your computer and logged into your account. Next, open Discord settings by clicking the gear icon near your username. Go to Activity Privacy and make sure Display Current Activity as a status message is turned on. This setting is required for rich presence to work. Now, the easiest way to get animated rich presence is by using supported apps or games. When you launch a compatible game or app, Discord will automatically show animated details like images, timers, and activity text under your profile. If you want a custom animated rich presence, you'll need a third-party rich presence tool. Popular options include rich presence clients or custom RPC apps that let you connect an application to Discord. After installing a rich presence tool, open it and sign in or connect it to your Discord account if required. Then select or create a rich presence profile. This usually includes setting a name, status text, and animated images or icons. Once you save and enable the rich presence in the tool, Discord will instantly display it on your profile, as long as the app is running in the background. Keep in mind that animated rich presence only stays active while the app or game is running. If you close it, the rich presence will disappear. Also, be careful when using third-party tools. Only download them from trusted sources and avoid entering your Discord password unless the app is officially supported. And that's how you get an animated Discord rich presence. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.